Warm welcome to everyone. Today I am Bhavishya, student of Mamta Modern Senior Secondary School, along with my team members Madhav and Somaya, going to present some solution to transform villages and towns with smart technology. Now, some solution through which we can transform villages and towns are: we should educate farmers for using technology to produce large number of crop in a 1 year and get a better earning by these farmers. Government should provide some education institutes to villagers' children, and these children will learn the art of giving and sharing.
We should grow more trees, build lakes, and set up a proper drainage system. Urbanization process should be used to create employment in villages, as India is in good progress in AI sector, so this should be used in improving crops, infrastructure, etc.
According to FAO, blockchain technology should be used to increase efficiency, agricultural supply chain, and make them more productive. There should be increase in the cost of living in the large cities and the new possibilities for teleworking. Government should make some schemes to protect farmers as to make these villages smart. So we need to start from deep. Now, Kalarabang, the first smart village of India which was transformed from ordinary village into a smart village by focusing on education, health, environment, etc.